So tonight I've got this Lockwood 310-57. It is, quite an older lock. I'm not sure why it says boron on the side of the shackle here and not up the top like this. On a normal 334 it says boron steel on the top of the shackle, not on here. But anyway, it's still freaking cool. It's very cool, very chunky. Obviously before Abloy took over, and they just killed it because it's Lockwood. To pick it, I'm using this monkey paw pick profile from Sparrows that Chevy has put some scales on. That's just a normal monkey paw. That's not a monkey paw, but it was a normal blank Sparrows pick, so the handle was just like this city rake, just without handles or scales or anything. And I got him to put some scales on it, and now it just looks very nice. Like his work lately has been getting better and better with every pick he makes, because that is very shiny. He even polished up the tip to like mirror finish, which is just amazing. So very grateful for that. Thank you, Chevy. And this I don't think is pinned to normal Lockwood in that age, like before Abloy, because there's Lockwood spools in there, and they didn't have spools back when these were made. They had those classic Lockwood tapers. 2-0, 3. There's can rotation, and 4. Of course, it's being camera shy now. I think it's just pin 5. Yep. No. Two. No. Okay, it's being camera shy. Anyway, so this has got spools in it, if you couldn't tell. Yeah, so it's got spools in it, which normal things didn't. I'm just trying to keep that in frame. I'll put that down there. I'll do this. Oh, it's a chunky one. I use this new pinning tray that I got from Mr. Nosu, Hazardous, whatever you want to call him. He's done a very good job of this pinning tray. And I need this and this. Screw down the shackle hole. It's just a normal kick. And Keyless Entry told me that these are the same sort of kicks they use for the 234 45. So if I wanted to make this original pinning, I could just grab the tapers out of a 234. Oh my god, that's lost forever. I just heard that hit a cardboard box 2 meters away. Okay, well that's fucked. So where's my shimming on? I'm using a shim because it's got these weird nubs on it, and I feel like it would get squashed, or like a pin would get stuck there. So I don't know where my shim went, so I'll just get a new one. Got a shim somewhere. Anyway, so I just shim it because of these weird nubs here. Oh, that's fucked. Follower. You see what I mean by it's not quite original? Look at these anti-drill pins first. I think these are all original except for this pin 4. Because pin 4's got a bit of a oh no, that's not what this is for, you fucking idiot. Because pin 4's got a little bit of that red colouring on it, like it comes from pinning kits. Re-pinning kits, sorry. Get this shim out. Pin 1 is classic Lockwood taper. Pin 2 is a spool, which isn't original pinning, which sort of sucks, but I've got a couple of 234s laying around I can just replace those pins with, so I'm not too worried. These springs I think aren't original either. I think the original springs were copper. These look like steel, which I can't test because I can't find magnets, but that's, yeah, the bidding, nice bidding high lows, couple of them. That's just gonna fall off if I tip it. So there's the pinning, which isn't original. They should all be tapered like this one in pin 1 here, but instead they're like 334 pins. So they should all be like this with little tapers on them. But anyway, if I wanted to, I could make it original by just getting some pins out of a 234. So if I wanted to, I could, but I think it's more fun to pick it like this. That is the Lockwood 31057, 31057, whatever, which gets fingerprints very easily, so it's impossible to keep clean. Anyway, thanks for watching.